In this video, we're going to be looking at a simple health pickup system in Unreal Engine 5. So what we want to achieve is we want our character to walk over a pickup and we want their health to increase by a certain amount. So to do this, we're going to go to our content browser. We're going to create a new blueprint. It's going to be an actor. Well, it's BP_health pickup. And we'll go ahead and open this up. Now I'm simply going to use two cubes here with a texture to signify a health symbol. I'm going to make sure that there is no collision on these because we don't want our player to be blocked by these at all. Yeah, so we've got no collision on both of these, like so. So after we've done that, let's create a sphere collision. Like so, we'll make this a bit bigger. Let's call it collision first. So when our player walks into this, their health is going to increase. So let's go on begin overlap here. And then on overlap, we're going to want to pass to our first person character. Like so. And if we hit compile, go to our first person character. Open this up. Now I already have a basic health system included in this, which I've covered in previous tutorials. So if you've not already, be sure to check them out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called health addition. And this is going to be the value our health increases by. So we'll have this as a float. We'll hit compile. And then we'll also create a custom event here, which we will call when we want to increase our health. So we'll call this health increase. Like so. So what we want to do here is we want to check if our health plus our health addition. So add. We want to check if it is greater than or equal to. Well, greater than will just work in this case. So greater than 100. And then if it is, we want to set our health to 100. So this is going to ensure that our health doesn't exceed the 100 health points. But obviously you can change this if you would like. So we'll simply hook this up. Like so. And then if it's not over 100, we're simply going to repeat this by adding our health addition to our health. And then we'll again set this to that number. So we'll hit compile here. First, before we move over to our pickup, let's just add a print string so we can see what our health is after the pickup. Like so. So we'll compile that. Now we're going to go over to our health pickup and we're going to get our health addition here. And we're going to set it. So I'm going to set this to 20. But obviously you can change this to whatever value you'd like. And then after that, we're going to call the health increase event, like so. So this will then fire the other event. So if we compile that and then go over to our level blueprint, as you can see here, we've already got our take damage volume. So if you want to see more on that, be sure to check out the other tutorial. So what we'll do here is we will add a few of our health pickups into the level. Like so. And we'll just hit play. Now if we go over to these now, our health should stay to 100. Like so. And then if we take some damage, pick up our health, goes to 80, pick up some more health, and it goes to 100. Now what we can do to further this is after we have picked up our health is we can destroy the actor. So now if we compile that and go back to our level blueprint, when we go over to a health pickup, you can see that it disappears. So again, if we take some damage and then pick up our health, you can see that the health pickups disappear. And that is it, guys. That is how you create a simple health pickup system in Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.